Hey guys, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to be diving into the world of modular arithmetics. This is just an introductory video, so we'll just be talking about how to convert a number to another number in a given modulus. Let's dive right in. Okay, so like I said, this is just an introduction. It's not going to be long. Basically, what I'm going to be showing you is how to convert from a number to another number in a given modulus. So let's take this example. Let's say we want to convert the number 8 to mode 7, right? Number 8 now to mode 7. How do we do that? The first thing we're going to do is that we're going to divide the number you're converting by the mode you are given. So for example, for 8 to mode 7 now, we're going to divide 8 by 7. So that will be 8 divided by 7 is what? 1 with a remainder of 1. Right? So this remainder, 1, is our number in mode 7. So 8 is equals to what? 1 in mode 7. Yeah, it's that simple. It's very simple. Like, it's that simple. So let's take another example. Let's say we want to convert 27 to mode 5. 27 to mode 5. Okay, so let's do that now. 27 divided by 5 is equals to what? 5 with a remainder of 2. Right? Because 5 goes in 27 5 times. That's 5 times 5 is 25. So 27 minus 25 will give you 2. Yeah. So that means 27 is equals to 2 mode 5. Yeah, don't mind my 5. Yeah, so that's 5. That's 2 mode 5. That's 2 mode 5. So let's take another example. Let's say we have to convert. Yeah, it's actually that simple. Let's say we have to convert 40 to mode 7. So let's say we have to convert 40 to mode 7. So that will be 40 over 7. That's equals to the closest number that is a multiple of 7 to 40 is 35. So 35 divided by 7 is what? 5. So that is 5 remainder what now? My handwriting is 5 remainder 5. Right? So that is 40 is equals to 5 mode 7. So that's how easy it is. That's how you convert a number to another number in a given modulus. So I'm sure now there's no conversion you cannot do. I mean, even if they give you 100, convert it to mode 27, you know how to do that. It's that simple. It's that simple. Yeah. So you might now be wondering, what do we need this for? What do we need this for? What is the usefulness of modulus in our lives? Like, a lot of mathematics topic that everybody's like, what are we using it for? Why? So basically, use modulus for one of the things you use modulus for is cyclic arithmetics. For example, if someone tells you, okay, today is Monday, and they're telling you that, okay, in 10 days time, get back to me, and then you want to know, okay, what day is in 10 days time. You're not going to start doing, okay, Monday to Tuesday 1, Tuesday to Wednesday 2, Wednesday to, I mean, like, how are you going to, what if they say 24 days time? You understand? So modular arithmetics helps us with that. For example, now we were told that, okay, in 10 days time, get back to me. Okay, so we're going to say, how many days do we have in the week? Like, total number of days in the week. That's how many days? 7 days, right? So we're not going to say, okay, we're going to convert 10 to mode 7. And from what I just showed you now, 10 divided by 7 will be what? 1, with the remainder of what? 3. So that's 3 mode 7. So So now we're going to calculate 3 days from Monday. So Monday to Tuesday 1, Tuesday to Wednesday 2, Wednesday to Thursday 3. So that means get back to him on what? On a Thursday. That is what we use modular arithmetic for. So another example is, okay, today is, let's say today is 27th of October. Today is 27th of October. And then you were asked to get back to someone or you're asked to call someone in 15 days time. And then you're like, oh, 27, 15 days time. How do I know the exact date? You don't have to carry a calendar, even though now, I mean, technology has made things easier. But what if you don't have a calendar and then someone wants to test how smart you are? What you're going to do is you're going to add 15 to 27, and that's going to give you 42, right? So that 42, you're going to how many days do we have in October? 31 days, right? So I'm going to find 42 in mode 31. Do you understand? 42 in mode 31. So that will give us about, that's 11. So that means I'm going to get back to the person on the 11th of November. Because 42 divided by 31, that's 1. 42 minus 31, that's 11, yes. So you're going to get back to the person on the 11th of November. So that's 15 days from the 27th of October. So that's the usefulness of modular arithmetics. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, comment, share, and tell all your friends that there's a channel for them now that will help them in mathematics. If you want personal coaching, you can contact me through WhatsApp or send an email to samthematics@gmail.com. Yeah, that's also another alternative that I've created. You can also send me an email if, just in case you're not using WhatsApp for some reasons, you can send me an email to through samthematics@gmail.com. samthematics@gmail.com. I'm going to be typing it out for you so that you can see it and not start guessing the spelling of Samthematics, even though it's basically everywhere on my channel. But I'm still going to type it out for you just to clear any form of doubt. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.